Today's tutorial is going to be eye-opening because I will reveal a new job servicing model that gives recurring income and have potential to make 7,000 net profit per month on average. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. While I was doing some research for my coaching student, I stumbled upon a design website similar to a job servicing site which makes 7,000 per month on average. Some months were $10,000 and some months were lesser. I went on to dig deeper and realized that the business model that this site is running contributed to the success of this business. This model is brilliant and we can definitely apply it to our job servicing business. But one thing to take note is that not all services can be applied to this business model. I will list down a few services that you can do so towards the end of this video, so make sure that you stick around till the end. This is the website I mentioned. It seems that it is a design platform and graphics library selling digital assets for creatives and print-on-demand sellers. So basically, this is an e-commerce store selling ready-made designs. According to the website owner, all the designs are created by collaborators, which means they have other people doing the designs for them. Very similar to job servicing, we can collaborate with the freelancers to help us create the designs that we need. Now, here is the most important part. The job servicing business model that you can earn a recurring income from is subscription-based business model. Subscription business model is based on the idea of selling services to receive monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. This business model focuses on client retention over client acquisition. As you can see on this website, they have a monthly price plan for you to sign up in order for you to get unlimited downloads of the designs. In order for this model to work, there are 5 things that you need to have. Number 1, low and affordable subscription fee. Number 2, longer contract term. Subscribers need to commit a longer term. Most of the time is 1 year. Number 3, large library of designs. Number 4, new designs to be added on monthly basis. Number 5, all designs are available for commercial use. So, what makes subscription model appeal to clients? Subscription fees spread large purchases out over time for what feels like less commitment. This works like an installment plan where clients can gain immediate access to the service they need but do not need to fork out a large payment upfront. Now let's take a look at how much this website is making with the subscription model. Based on the data from flippa.com, this chart shows the revenue and net profit for the year 2021. On average, this website is making $14,326 per month in sales revenue and $7,580 per month net profit. Generally, this website earnings are purely passive income because the designs are already digital downloads. However, one downside about this model is that you need to fork out investments to buy the designs first. What I suggest to you, if your job servicing niche is graphic design, then you may want to include custom design on your website as well. This way you can capture both types of potential clients. One is those who want to buy ready designs, and another type of client will be the ones that need custom design. So what are other services that you can apply using subscription business model? Here are 5 types of services for job servicing which are suitable to apply the subscription model. Number 1 is the video templates. Number 2, social media content. Number 3 is the content writing. Number 4 is the copywriting. And number 5 are the printables. Using different types of business models can be a very good way to attract more clients to sign up for your plans and also to ensure a steady flow of income for your job servicing business. I enjoy sharing these discoveries with you and I hope you benefit from it. As always, if you are keen to learn how to start job servicing, I've got hundreds of tutorials to help you succeed in job servicing over here, so make sure you check them out and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!